this finger, singing my life with this words, killing me softly with this with his song and my whole life, his words killing me Okay, maayong hapon. Update sa result sa alas 2:451 March 23, 2024 adlawng Sabado. Morning result sa alas 2:451. Okay, maayong hapon. Usbon ako, maayong hapon sa nag-view ning akong channel. Welcome, maayong hapon. Maning result alas 2:451 natagtag pahabol duha ka buok. Mani ang regalo ganiha 034. First number 034. I heard a song, a good song. I know this fall apart. Regalo 034. And there is just this young boy. Strumming my pain with his finger. 034 regalo ni sa ako ning combination sa karong adlaw ganihang regular upload karong adlaw Marso 23 akong ibalik ang 034. Okay, next kombi kaning 451 ako dyan yung gihatag special number ni atong gahapon 514 may nalang ta tuno og wa pa ma-delayed nakarambol ta atong pizza gahapon ni ako nahatag ug atong pizza 20 gihatag pod ni nako maghapon sa straight gyud siya 20 21 22 gihatag ko ning 451 514 sa ako ang combination 514 meron ta to na ay rumble no karon gyud siya ning gawas tuloy gyud siya kaadlaw akong gihatag 514 karon wala na ko mabalik ni gawas. Okay, nahatag na nako ang first combination 034. And there is just this young boy. Strumming my pain with his finger, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song. Na, 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 na. These words killing me softly. Okay, another combination pahabol 5-4-8. Play target rumble. Karong alas 5 ni nga pahabol ha. Para alas 5. 5-4-8. Strumming my pain with his finger, singing my life with his words. Okay, dara 0-3-4 and 5-4-8. La 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 with this song. Regalo 0-3-4 5-4-8. Man yung pahabol para alas 5 Marso 23, 2024. Makaapas pa to pa alas 4. 3:25 pa. So maklaro unta ninyo no. Mo end na ta para ako na ni-upload. Thanks. Bye-bye. Amping. Og pahabol ta para alas 5. I mean update alas 5 sa result. Okay, good luck. 5-4-8 and 0-3-4.